Everyone, are you one of the many people who are wondering how to remove cameos on Snapchat? Well, wonder no more. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get started. First, open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile screen, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to go to the settings. So now what you want to do next is tap on Cameos, and it will show you your current Cameo Selfie on Snapchat. If you want to get rid of that, simply tap on Clear My Cameo Selfie, and a pop-up will show up saying that this will delete your current Cameo Selfie, selected body type, and related photo data. You will have to take a new selfie to be able to access the cameos. Simply tap on Clear and that will completely remove the Cameo Selfie associated with your Snapchat account. If you want to use cameos again, you need to take a new selfie or upload a photo of yourself to use that feature. So that wraps up this tutorial. If this video is helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.